Hey, it's Al Williamson, leadinglandlord.com. I'm giving you an update on our abundance project right here. This is towards the end of June. Our June deadline came and gone, but we got our final design. I was at IKEA looking at product, and we just finalized that, bidding it out, getting ready to bring some things to life real quick. So buckle up. Okay, here I am in apartment number D, or apartment number 4, and I'm taking a good look at these ceiling joists, and because we're going to lift this ceiling up, I'm just looking at the wiring. We're going to bring in a wall unit, a mini split, taking out the old air conditioning wide open, and we're going to bring the bathroom back just the way it is, with the toilet over here. Let me show you. With a toilet right there and a sink, so we don't have to redo anything there. And we're going to put in a full tub right here with a nice background and a nice surround, and shower curtain to drop around. And then the layout staying just the same, except taking down part of that wall. It's going to be half of that will be removed, the width of it. And this closet here will be taken out, and it'll just be a place where we're going to reset the TV set. Now I'm going to walk out of here. This whole layout is going to be exactly the same so that we can bring it back quickly. This will be an exit door. This is still going to be the same. Walk-in, kitchen, toilet, everything's going to be the same. Full bathtub right there. The drop ceiling on both of them when you walk in, and after this wall will be removed over here. After you walk past the drop ceiling, the ceiling goes straight up, and you'll be able to see the rafters, and it'll be really cool. So we're bringing this back quick. Stay tuned.